In 2020, the CRISPR-Cas9 genome editing method won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for its gene editing technology. In recent years, synthetic biology is flourishing. Meanwhile, the breakthrough of bioenzyme catalysis technology and fermentation technology in the production of pharmaceutical intermediates, food supplement ingredients, and cosmetic raw materials perfectly helps big health industry towards a more efficient, low-carbon, green, and safe direction while reducing the costs. Sinoway Industrial Company Limited was established in China in 1987 and now has grown as a leading company specializing in exporting, custom development, and manufacturing of APIs, pharmaceutical intermediates, food supplement ingredients, cosmetic raw materials, including peptide series, prostaglandin series, plant extracts, etc., and pharmaceutical packaging products, including packaging for cold chain, metered dose inhalation aerosol, etc. Sinoway's main products are beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide, NMN, L-glutathione reduced, alpha-GPC, ceticoline sodium, rhodiola rosea extract, guaiazoline, diosmin, hydrocortisone, spironolactone, tenofovir aliphetamine fumarate, TAF, rosuvastatin calcium intermediates, and some customized advanced intermediates, etc. Sinoway has passed ISO 9001:2015 and SGS audit to ensure the quality of products and services meet international standards and customers' requirements. Sinoway also can provide one-stop CDMO service from R&D to production, especially for custom development and manufacturing of advanced intermediates and new compounds with special high-quality requirements after signing secret agreements. Sinoway has established long-term cooperation with China's top analysis and testing centers, institutes, and universities, which are equipped with various facilities for special chemical reactions and testing conditions, including HPLC, LC-MS, GC, GC-MS, UV, etc., to provide you various testing services for products throughout the entire product development cycle. Additionally, Sinoway cooperates closely with Chinese factories, which have advanced production equipments and experts with rich experience in organic chemistry, enzyme catalysis, fermentation processes, etc. They strictly comply with both Chinese and international GMP regulation and ICH Q7 quality management specification. Sinoway's CDMO service includes 1. Compounds. 2. Reactions. 3. Special facilities that can meet these circumstances. 4. Available sites, lines. Sinoway has a professional sales team with rich experience in products and markets. Since 1992, Sinoway participated in healthcare exhibitions every year, such as CPHL Worldwide, CPHL Japan, CPHL China, and Supply Side West in USA, etc. Sinoway has established long-term business relationships with customers from USA, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Switzerland, Germany, Hong Kong, and others for over 30 years. Sinoway is a reliable supplier of world's leading pharmaceutical companies, such as Novartis, Teva, Daito, and Sumitomo Seika, etc. Besides, Sinoway is the China office of Fisher Chemical AG, responsible for project and supply chain services. Integrity, dedication, gratitude, innovation, diligence is the core values of Sinoway. Sinoway will keep devoting to the supply of custom development and manufacture of high-quality products with competitive price, and aims to create sustainable values for our customers, shareholders, and employees. to maximize values for all customers with high-quality products and professional service, to become one of leading suppliers in big health industry. We, Sinoway, sincerely welcome customers and partners from all over the world and achieve win-win cooperation for a prosperous future together.